Fix WhatsApp status could not send problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the search bar and then search for WhatsApp over here, just to make sure you have an updated version of the WhatsApp application. So as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So we're going to go back and then make a long press or just tap on the settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and then tap on apps. Then select manage apps and then search for the WhatsApp application over here. Now as the app pops up over here, so all you need to do is just tap on the application and then tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. As you do that, your issue might be fixed, so you can just go and relaunch your application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.